Do that one dance, baby. That one dance.
Good day everyone, it's me, Christina Alcantara from Co-11 BSPA major in Financial Management. For today's video, we are going to discuss Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. But first, I will introduce you Leonardo of Pisa. Who is Leonardo of Pisa, or also known as Fibonacci? Fibonacci is a nickname of Leonardo of Pisa. He was born in 1170 and died in 1240. He was the greatest European mathematician of the Middle Ages. Also, he introduced the Arabic number system in Europe. Paano at saan nga ba nagsimula ang Fibonacci sequence? Sa tingin nyo, paano? Fibonacci sequence started with the pair of rabbit. Sa tingin nyo, bakit rabbit kung marami namang ibang animals? Fibonacci discovered this famous sequence by looking at how generations of rabbit breed. Bakit nga ba rabbit? Paano? Bakit? The problem is, suppose a newly born pair of rabbits, one male and one female, are put in a field. Rabbits are able to mate at the age of 1 month, so that at the end of the month, a female can produce another of rabbits. So, tingnan natin itong illustration. So, ang pair of rabbit ay nagko-consist ng 1 male and 1 female. So, nagmamature ang rabbit in a month, and at the end of the month, magproproduce sila ng another pair of rabbit. Produce sila ng another pair of rabbit, kaya sila ang naging basis ng Fibonacci sequence.
Fibonacci sequence.
The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where a number is the addition of the last two numbers starting with 0 and 1. Simple rule, add the last two terms to get the next term. The Fibonacci sequence is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on. The first two terms are defined as 1 and 1 by default, and therefore, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and so on. So let's have one practice. Find the indicated term of the Fibonacci sequence. So let's find the 13th term of the Fibonacci sequence. So you have 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144. So 144 plus 89 is equal to 233. Therefore, the 13th term of Fibonacci sequence is 233. Okay, one more. So let's find the 17th term of Fibonacci sequence. So 610 plus 987 is equal to 1597. Therefore, 1597 is the 17th term of Fibonacci sequence. Math is everywhere. We can relate Fibonacci sequence in nature. For instance, sa cauliflower and sunflower, you can observe there the spiral structure. Next is the pine cone. Makikita nyo sa skin ng pine cone yung Fibonacci spiral. We can also see Fibonacci sequence in flowers. So, the number of petals of flowers are often Fibonacci sequence. So, yan, makikita nyo 3 petals, 5 petals, 8 petals, and 13 petals.
Golden ratio.
So, dumako naman tayo sa golden ratio. Related to sa Fibonacci sequence. So, what is golden ratio? The symbol of the golden ratio is the Greek letter pi, is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. We find the golden ratio when we divide a line into two parts. The long part divided by the short part is equal to the whole length divided by the long part. We can use this formula, A over B. A plus B over A is equal to 1.618. We can see golden ratio in architecture, sa the Parthenon, at sa the Great Pyramid of Giza, at marami pang iba. Makikita din natin ang golden ratio sa art, sa Dali's Sacrament of the Last Supper, sa Mona Lisa, at sa Vitruvian Man. Let's solve a word problem. John wants to send his picture to Billy. He wants the picture frame to be a golden rectangle so that he will look good on it. If John wants the width of the frame To be 1 foot long, what should be the length of the frame? Use 1.618 as the value of the golden rectangle. Let's assume na ito ang frame. Patayo yung frame. Pwede din naman yung pahiga, pero ito na lang yung gamitin natin. Ang width ang pinaka-short na side, which is ito, and yung pinakahaba naman yung is length. 1 foot ang width, at ang length naman ay walang value. Pero gusto niya, golden rectangle ang size ng picture frame. Kaya let's solve for the value of length. Let's use the formula of P. Phi equals to length over width. So 1.618 is equal to length, unknown yung value, over 1 foot, ang value naman ng width. Cross multiply sa 1, kahit walang 1 dyan, automatic na 1 yan. L times 1 is equal to L. So L equals to 1.618 times 1 foot. So kapag kinalculate natin yan, 1.618 ang lalabas. Kung gusto ni John na 1 foot long ang width, dapat ang length niya ay 1.618 foot. Kaya ito ang final answer natin. Once again, it's me, Christina Alcantara, and thank you guys for watching. Stay safe!